In this video, you are going to see some tips and details about the hotspot in Samsung Mobile. This is useful for any Samsung mobile. First, let's see how to turn on the hotspot. Secondly, how to set the password. And finally, some tips like auto turn off feature, frequency selection, etc. First, how to turn on the hotspot. You can do this in two ways. Number one is from the notification panel. Here you can see the hotspot option. Number two is by going into the settings, then connections, then mobile hotspot and tethering. Here turn on the mobile hotspot. Now let's see how to set the password for your hotspot. After going into the mobile hotspot and tethering settings, tap on the mobile hotspot. Here, select the configuration and security. Select WPA2 or WPA3 personal. Now enter the password here and click on save. Next time if anyone is trying to connect your hotspot, they need to enter this password. Now let's see some tips in the hotspot option. You can enable auto turn off hotspot by going into configure and then advanced. You can set the timer according you like. If in case no one is connected to your hotspot for up to the time you selected, the hotspot will turn off automatically. Number two, you can change the bandwidth to either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz from here. Number three, by enabling this option, you can hide your hotspot name in another mobile if they search for available networks. Number four, you can share your hotspot password as a QR code in image format by going here. And finally, number five, you can change the name of the network by going into here. This is all about the hotspot in Samsung mobiles. If in case you are noticing heating issues in your Samsung mobile, this video is helpful for you. Or if you are interested to know how I am getting amazing battery backup in my Samsung mobile, this video is helpful for you.